In an exciting new development, the innovative Styccobond F40 high-tack dual-bond adhesive, traditionally used as a release adhesive for carpet underlay, can now be used as a release adhesive for some fibre-bonded carpets. This groundbreaking development now allows the easy removal of a fibre-bonded carpet at the end of its life and the relaying of a replacement carpet quickly and efficiently. This raises the exciting prospect of being able to remove and recycle the old fibre-bonded carpet. Styccobond F40 is trowel applied using a 1.5mm by 5mm V-notched trowel. To achieve a release bond, the adhesive must be allowed to dry completely until it becomes transparent. Then, lay the fibre-bonded carpet into the adhesive, overlapping the joints as normal. Cut in the joints using a straight edge and knife. Then press the carpet to the floor using a glider. Ensure that good contact with the adhesive is made. When the fibre-bonded carpet needs to be removed, it couldn't be easier. Simply pull the carpet up from any joint, reapply Styccobond F40 adhesive to the existing area to be covered, and allow to dry. Lay the new carpet as though it was a new installation. Cut in the joints. And apply pressure with a glider. And there you have it. An environmental, effective solution for fibre-bonded carpets that saves you time and money. Another innovative idea from the experts at F-Ball. Innovation through experience.